have, we're good?
Yep.
Okay, basic step. We have side, rock step, side, rock step, side, rock step, side, and hip lift. And let's do this at this angle so you can follow along. And side, leaders, rock back, side, rock forward, side, rock back, side, and hip lift. Okay, the next step that we did was an open break. So we have side, a rock step. So leaders, at this point you should have lowered the hand to her waist level. Side, release your right arm, rock forward, side, raise the arm up. She does a turn, and we dance the hip lift. And the last step was a crossover break. We dance the side basic, again we lower the hand. We go side, we dance the forward rock, side, we raise an arm, she does a turn, and we finish with a hip lift. Okay, so our website is Ballroom Dance Academy LA. So go find it on Facebook, like it, and you will see the videos we'll post it by Friday so you can practice. Okay? So if you're not